So entry set. So entry means you can understand easily. So entry set means basically it returns the entries. It returns the entries. So it is going to return the entries. So what are the different entries? How can you get the entry set method using entry set method will return again a collection. See that entry set method will return a set collection. Set collection. But what is the data type? Map.entry. Key data type is a string, value data type is a double. So this is the collection name, set collection name. So how can you iterate set collection? Here we have shown you using iterator. Here I am showing using for each loop. Any one you can use. Any one you can use. So set map.entry string. So double this one and for each loop, the first data type. So this is the data type. In the angular bracket, whatever is there, that's a data type. You need to write a data type. Then, so each entry colon the set collection. This is a set collection. So how can you get each entry value? Ent dot get key will give the key name. So ent dot get value, which gives the value. So these are the get key and get value methods. Any questions? Yes. So let's run this. For us, all these, whatever the methods I explained, those methods, if you are perfect, that's good enough. So you don't need any hash set, obviously, hash map, right? Sorry, hash map. So it won't return insertion order. Say for Samsung we inserted, but what is showing here? Headset. So order doesn't maintain by hash map. Order is not maintained by hash map. So that is the hash map. So behavior. If you want to see, just change it to linked hash map, then it will show insertion order. If you want to see tree map, just see in the alphabetical order, it will arrange. So that is the difference between hash map, linked hash map, and tree map classes. Okay. So the next one, map interview programs. So what are the different map programs we have? So very important. This also widely asked interview questions list. So they will give a string and you have to calculate each character, how many times it is occurring. So each character, how many times it is occurring, you have to print it out. So that's the occurrence of each character in a given string. So they'll just write a program to print each character occurrence in the given string. So that is this occurrence of characters. And step one. So what first you have to do? Create a map. See, this method is a return type method. So what is the return type method syntax? access modifier, static, data type. So the return type of this method is map. So what is the key data type? Is a character wrapper class, and value data type is integer wrapper class. Integer wrapper class. Again, procedure is same. First, what you need to do, you create a object, a map. Okay, so you create a map. So first step. So map. So key data type is a character, value data type is integer. So the map name I have given equal to new linked hash map. You can create a hash map or linked hash map. So I created here linked hash map. So previous class I created a hash map object, right? Now I'm creating here linked hash map object. So can you see here? I just put a angular brackets. So left side angular brackets and right side also must be there angular brackets that represent the data types of your key and value. So now second step, convert the string into character array using toChar array method. So toChar array method. toChar array method, you can use it. So next, once you got a character array, so iterate the character array. So iterate the character array, and so check whether each character is present in the map or not. So each character is present in the map or not. So if hm dot contains key, that means if this key is present in the map, so already present, then what you need to do? You need to update the value. So same key you place it, hm dot get of key plus 1. Why am so adding plus 1? Already it's present. That's why I'm adding one more now time. So the count will be updated here. Else, okay, if it is not there, then you update the key with only 1, because it's occurring only one time. There is no duplicates. That's this. So print occurrence of characters. So that's a written the hash map. So next, print duplicate characters. How can you print a duplicate characters? Using map. You have to see that I'm using this map. Again, I don't want to write this entire code. So I'm using this method. I'm calling this method in another non-static method or static method, whatever it is. So same methods you can call directly. So I'm calling here, I'm reusing that logic again here. So just print occurrence of characters that returns a map. So I got the map. Now, so my objective is I need to print duplicate characters. So then what I need to do, I get all the keys into set collection. Say set, the key data type is a character and the collection name, keys collection. So the map name dot key set, map name dot key set. So then iterate the collection. So you're iterating this for each loop we are using. For what is the data type of this collection? Character. So write the character data type. Then the each key, I'm putting a key variable colon the collection name. So if the map dot get key, so greater than 1. So get method, what it will do? This key, how many times it is occurred, the value it will fetch, key value. So this key value it will fetch. If that key value is greater than 1, then print that key. That means greater than 1 means it's a duplicate. Just I'm printing that key. So this is the how to print duplicate characters. So find max repeated character. Find max repeated character. So you can string str, and you can just again leverage the first method that you created. So max repeated character, how many times the character repeated, that you can find it out. So return type methods we are calling again. So data type of the method and map name equal to the static method you are calling directly with the parameterized method. You are passing the parameter. So declare two variables, max count and max characters. So one is int, max count is 0, and character is empty character. So I'm just initially declaring my, so max count is 0 and max character is empty. Fetch all the entries from map using entry set. Fetching all the entries from the map. How can you fetch? Using entry set method. So the same methods we are repeating. Now 3 times I repeated this. See that set map dot entry, key data type is a character and value data type is integer wrapper classes. So ent set collection map dot entry set method. See, this is all object reference dot the non-static method, and this is the return type methods. So that's why return type methods are very, very important. So iterate the set collection. So for each loop, and this is the data type. So I'm writing that data type as it is. Then ent is the entry colon for a set of entries. So if ent dot get value greater than this max count, so max count equal to ent dot get value, and max character is ent dot get key. So each entry key and value you can get with a get key method and get value. So it will iterate and it will find out which one is max character and max count. So character is repeating that. Okay. Any questions? So this is all kind of different programs they will ask. Okay. Next one. Print duplicate words of string. To duplicate words you have to print. So duplicate characters we printed. So now duplicate words. So you have to print. See, a lot of programs. So all this, so you have to just keep writing the more number of times, you will get the things. Okay. So this one, just how you can do is, let me give you the introduction, then maybe you can see that. See, that's string str equal to I am Java coder, right? So what is the duplicate words here? am1 Java. So these are the duplicate words. Say first, hint is, so use string plus split method. string class split method to split the given string. So which returns a stringer. So basically which returns a stringer. The split method which returns a string array, str array. So then you can just create a hash map object. So create a map. So the string and integer hm new hash map. So basically, so you iterate the string array. So this string array you iterate. So iterate the string array for string. So the temporary word colon array. So if hm dot contains key of this temp word, then put that word here. Else, so arrange that into 1. So now fetch all the keys of words into set collection. Fetch all the keys of words into set collection. So how can you get all the keys? So keys means the key set method you have to call. So all the words it came here and same iterator. The same we did how duplicate characters, same way. So, but I'm using here iterator method, C collection dot iterator method, while it dot has next method, string word equal to, so each word you can get it dot next method. Next method will fetch the value and stores here. If hm dot get word greater than 1, then you print that word and the number of times it is occurring. Okay, number of times it is occurring. So that's this print duplicate words of a string. Same, like how we are doing a duplicate characters. So, but this is how you can do that. Any questions before going for the next program?
No, sir.
Okay. So the last one, let's go and see this. First non-repeated character. First non-repeated means see radar. What is the first non-repeated character here?
D, sir.
D. So you have to print the D. So in Java, what is the first non-repeated character?
J. Yes.
J. So it has to give J out. So whatever the string you give as an input, your program should work. That's the input. Whatever the input you give, your program should work and give the proper output. Okay. So now let's find out this one and then we can close for that. So you just, call the first method, print occurrence of each character, and you pass the string as an argument, and that returns a map. So that map name is hm. Then you get the entry sets, all the entry sets. Set map dot entry character integer, ent set collection, hm dot entry set. So iterate this set collection. So the data type is map dot entry. So map dot entry. So ent colon ent set collection. If ent dot get value is equal to 1, okay, and then system dot out dot ent dot get key. You just get the key, which key that is, which has a value 1. So then break it. So once you find, you don't need to iterate again, right? So break it. So break method, break keyword, what it will do, it won't loop further. You don't want to loop further. So just call break method, break statement or break keyword inside the loop. Obviously, for loop inside, if condition inside, you will use this break keyword. Automatically, it will exit this entire thing. So that's the so one important program. Yeah, that's it. That's all. This is also longest substring without repeating characters. You can just find out same procedure, all are. So just go through this. This is the one of the important. And so I'm just giving all this. Just execute this. Tomorrow, first, half we can finish that. Say J value 3 times, A value 2 times, V1, 2, 1, E2, S1, so P1. So what are the string you are giving? So this one. So this one, each character how many times occurring. So this is the character, key is the character, value is an integer. So the duplicate characters here is JAE. So that's what. So in this JAE, so it's occurring duplicate. Max character is A, the count is 3. In this you can see, so the max number of times occurred character is A and the value is 3. Right? So next one, so this one. So the word Java appeared 2 times, the word yam appeared 3 times. That's how we need to print. Okay, so that's all about the map programs. And next one we'll see properties class, how to read. That we'll see tomorrow, and immediately we'll start the Selenium. First, half an hour of this properties class are just 15 to 10 minutes. So once that is done, then we can go for the Selenium. We are going to start. At least don't miss the Selenium classes. So if you miss beginning classes, then it doesn't work out. You should not miss the classes, first of all. Yeah. Okay. Any questions?